Hi everyone, today I am bringing you an exceptionally delicious recipe. It is not only full of flavor but also incredibly good for you. This dish is highly nutritious, gluten-free, and completely plant-based, making it a perfect source of complete protein. Rinse 1.5 cups of quinoa truly under cold running water to remove a natural compound that can give it a bitter taste. Then add 2.5 cups of water and cook the quinoa over medium heat until the water is fully absorbed. While the quinoa is cooking, boil 3 medium-sized potatoes until they are tender. Using a food processor or your kitchen knife, finely chop 1 purple onion, a medium size, into smaller pieces. To prep the carrots, wash, peel and trim the ends of 2 medium-sized carrots and shred the carrots finely with a cheese grater. Crush 4 cloves of garlic, then finely mince them for the maximum flavor. We need to chop finely half a cup of fresh parsley. Let's check on our quinoa. It is now fully cooked. Remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down to room temperature before using it. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, grated potatoes, chopped parsley, finely chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated carrots. Add 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 2 eggs. Now mix everything thoroughly until you get a well-combined, smooth mixture that holds together nicely. Season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt, then mix well until everything is evenly combined and fully seasoned. Now it's time to shape our patties. Take a handful of the mixture, about the size of a mandarin, and form it into an oval-shaped patty. Repeat the process until all the mixture is shaped into evenly sized patties. Heat a generous amount of your favorite oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot and ready, carefully place the first batch of oval-shaped patties into the pan. Fry the patties for about 3 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and crispy on the outside while remaining soft and moist on the inside. Now we make a perfect yogurt dip for our fried quinoa. A high-fat Greek yogurt will give you a fantastic taste. Mix the yogurt with grated cucumber, dried dill or mint, season it with black pepper and salt, and minced garlic, and you're good to go, all ready to be enjoyed. Wow, just look at this gorgeous dish. It is absolutely delicious and packed with flavor. A perfect plant-based protein, naturally gluten-free and incredibly healthy. Now it's time to taste it. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with another tasty and exciting dish.